In this video, I'll show you how to curve text in Canva using two methods, one simple and quick, and the other more advanced with greater control. So, let's jump in. First, let's start with the simple method for curving text. If all you need is a basic curved effect, this is the way to go. Let's add some text to this document. I'll resize it, change the font, and give it a nicer color. Now, to curve the text, select it and click on Effects over here. When you scroll down, you'll see the Curve option. Click on that, and you'll notice a slider appears. Move the slider in the positive direction to bend the text downward. Move it below 0, and it bends upward. Let me adjust it so you can see how it works. Positive bends it downward, negative bends it upward. You can also get creative by applying the curve effect to just one word instead of an entire sentence or phrase. Now, let's move on to the second, more advanced method. For this, we'll use a Canva app called Typecraft. To access apps, click on the Apps button over here. From the list of apps, search for Typecraft. Once it appears, click on it, then click Open. Here's how it works. Type your text in the box where it says Text. For example, I'll type How-To Guide. Next, choose a font from the list. I'll pick one that looks cool. I like this one. Before making adjustments, I recommend clicking Reset Shape to ensure it's set to the original text. Now let's customize it. You have three main text formats: solid, outlined only, and both. I'll stick with the basic solid text for now. Let's change the color to make it stand out. Here's where it gets interesting. You can use the control points to distort and bend your text. There are 10 control points in total. The corner points on the left and right adjust the overall shape. The middle points let you modify the text in specific areas. You'll also find control handles next to the middle points. These let you adjust the curve inward or outward. For example, you can bend it up, bend it down, or create interesting distortions. There's also an option to mirror control points, vertically or horizontally. This means any change on one side is mirrored on the other. However, for finer control, I won't use the mirror option. If you ever need a fresh start, just click Reset Shape. Once you're happy with your design, click Add an Element to Design. This places the curved text onto your Canva canvas. If you need to make further edits, click on the shape, adjust it in Typecraft, and then click Update Element to refresh the design on your canvas. And that's how you can curve text in Canva using both the simple and advanced methods. If you found this video useful, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment saying, "I subscribed," so I can personally thank you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.